Okay. Xo'sh, hamsa tekstni kelib qaptiq savoqdashlar. Hamsa bir diqqat qilib, hamsa mushunga bir anglash qismini anglaytamizlar. All right. Listen carefully.
Lesson 35. Our village. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. Are the children coming out of the park or going into it?
This is a photograph of our village. Our village is in a valley. It is between two hills. The village is on a river. Here is another photograph of the village. My wife and I are walking along the banks of the river. We are on the left. There is a boy in the water. He is swimming across the river. Here is another photograph. This is the school building. It is beside a park. The park is on the right. Some children are coming out of the building. Some of them are going into the park.
Xo'sh, hamsa anglab bo'ldingmi? Hamsa anglab bo'lgan bo'lsanglar, tekstga birdan qarab bag'aylar. This is a photograph of our village. Okay. Endi bu bo'lsa bizning yezimizning nimasi? Bizning yezimizningki bir surati. Bu bo'lsa bir yezimizning nimasi? Surati ekan our village. And our village is in a valley. Endi bizning yezimiz bo'lsa nada? In a valley, bir jilg'ida. Okay. Endi macha it's between two hills. Endi mana ikki do'nglik bo'lgan bo'lmaydi. U ikki do'ngning nimasi deydi? Orasida. Demak, endi ikki narsaning orasida bo'lsa nima deydi? Between, ya'ni between two hills, ikki do'ngning orasida. Endi agar u ikki saboqdishining orasida bo'lsa, yoki ikki o'quvchining orasida bo'lsa, masalan, he is between two classmates, yoki two students. O'sha ikkisining nimasidan orasida. The village is on a river. Okay, endi bu yerga bu yiza nari deydi? On a river. Endi bu yerga on a river deganimiz nima? Masalan, shu daryoga yaqin, daryo bo'yida degan gap. Hargiz daryoning ustiga selingan emas. Shu daryo ustida deymiz, lekin nima? Masalan, daryo bo'yiga selingan yoki shu daryo bo'yida degan gap. Bu yerga the village deydi, endi eliqi. Deya shu bizningki, shuni ko'rsatadi. Xo'sh, here is another photograph of the village. And the shu yiziningki yana bir resmi. And bu yerga another, yana bir parcha, shundaymi? Here is another photograph of the village. Okay, my wife and I are walking along the banks of the river. Okay. Men ayolim bilan men ham ikkinchisi men aytibdi-ku. My wife and I are walking. And men ovatimiz nari? Along the banks of the river. Endi bu yerga along deganimiz nima desanlar? Bo'ylab mangmoq. Masalan, along the banks of the river, daryo bo'ylarini bo'ylab mengotimiz. Endi tomni bo'ylab-ku. Along the wall, tomni bo'ylab. Along the wall. We are on the left. Okay, we are on the left. And biz qaysi tarafda? Sol tarafda. We are on the left. There is a boy in the water. Okay, and suda nima? Bir o'g'il bola bor. There is a boy in the water. Suda nima? Bir o'g'il bola. Endi bu yerga suv uzayotgan bola ekan-ku. He's swimming across the river. Endi abola daryoni u qo'riqdan bu qo'riqqa kesib o'tmoqchi, demakchi atrofga bo'lsa across the river. He is swimming across the river. And bu yerga we are on the left. On the left, the left dini ishlatib qo'ygan degan. Demakchi shuning sol tarafida. Demak, endi shu daryoning sol tarafida demakchi. Here is another photograph. And bu yerda yana bir talning bakan foto bakan. This is the school building. And bu bo'lsa nima? Maktab binosi. School building. Okay, it's beside a park. And u nima? bir bağçının yanında. Misharik beside deganimiz yenida degan gap, balla. Beside. Okay, beside. Beside. The park on the right. And then şu park bağç kanarken nang o'ng tarafı değil mi? Şu mektebin o'ng tarafı. On the right. Yaki yolna. Şunama? Some children are coming out of the building and some children going into it. Bazıları binadan çıkıvadı, bazıları qanday desanglar bağçıga chiqib ketib bordi. Xo'sh, shams qaranglar. Mishariki river swimming is he across. Endi ma'ni birlashtirdik nima? He's swimming across the river. Shunami? Endi ma'ni bir tuzlab bir jumla qilib taqinglar. Masalan, children onlardan coming, some or building out of deb bakan qo'y. Qanday? You know, some children are coming out of the building and some of them going into it. And some of them, ba'zilari nima, are going into the park. Qanday qildi? Bag'cha chiryapti. Qarang, some children are coming out of the building. Okay, out of deganimiz ning sirtiga degan gap. Coming out of binoning sirtiga, shunami? Masalan, I'm looking out of the window. And men there is no sirtiga qarayapman. Demak, men taloq qarayapman degan gap, ma'u. Okay. And some of them are going into the park. And the ba'zilari qanday desanglar, bog'chaning ichiga qanday qo'ydi? Kiryapti. Okay, some of them. And bu yerga some of them degandan keyiniga sanig'ini bo'lmaydiganini qo'yishga bo'ldi. Yoki sanig'ini bo'lganini qo'yishga bo'ldi. Sanig'ini bo'lgandan qanday desanglar, fushosing shu. Ko'plik shaklga kelish kerak. Demak, endi shu bir kutillikdan shirkka bir qismi degan gap, some of deganimiz. Masalan, some of the water, azroq suv. Shu suvninki azroqi degan gap. Tushunarlimi? Some of the student, okay, shu bolalarniki, shu bir to'p bolalarning shu bir qismi degan gap. Demak, endi darvozadan, maktabdan bir necha o'quvchi, bir turkum o'quvchi chiqdi shunami? Ya'ni shularning bir qismi qanday qildi? Shu bag'cha chiqib ketdi. Demak, endi masalan men bir stakan suv qo'ydim, men uning azroqini, some of the water azroq suvini qanday qildim? Ichdim deganday. All right. Amsa bizniki 35 darsimiz mishagicha olsun. Endi xo'sh 36 ga keldik. Bu 36 nima desangiz, o'xshashlar o'shadan keyin desangiz, davomi where deydi. Xo'sh, amsa qaranglar, going into. Endi ma going into qo'yib tushunami? Shop, naga do'konga. So where is the man going? Balla, ma action chiqib ketib bordi meningda. Where is the man going? And the name is she is going into the shop. And the dukkanga chirib ketib bordi. He is going into the shop. So sitting beside his mother, and u opasining yanida o'tiribdi. So where is the boy sitting? So where is the boy sitting? And the o'g'il bola yanida o'tiribdi. He is sitting beside his mother. Right? He is sitting beside his mother. Beside his mother. Okay, and the walking across the street. So where are they walking? You know, you can say they people or they are walking across the street. And so walking between and two policemen. So where is the man walking? You know, he's walking between two policemen. Okay, he's walking between two policemen. Okay, next, sitting near the tree. So, and where is she sitting? Where is the girl sitting? And the baqizchaq nari o'tiribdi. Naga? Dari ashu daraqni yiqi yarish nama. She is sitting near the tree. Okay? She is sitting near the tree. She is sitting near the tree. What about this? Flying under the bridge. Demakchi, ko'rikning ostidan uchib ketayotibdi shu nama. And bu aeroplan nari uchib. Where is the airplane flying? Okay. And almost it is flying under the bridge. And sitting on the grass. So where are they sitting? Ular nerede oturuyorlar? Elbette çimlikning ustida oturuyor. They are sitting on the grass. Okay, we're reading in the living room. And ular nerede okuyorlar şunama? Where are they reading? Ular nerede okuyorlar? They are reading in the living room. Elbette nima? Mehmonxona uyda okuyorlar. They are reading in the living room. They are reading in the living room. Xo'sh, endi shu written exercise kelsak, vallahi shu oxirgi ing qatish. Endi oldingi soatimizda mana tafsiliy so'zliq ing qatqanda qanday qilmaydi desanglar, mana o'xshash, masalan, bir bo'g'imliq, qisqa bo'g'im, masalan, bir yoki ikki bo'g'imliq so'zlarniki eng oxirgi uzuk tovush bo'lsa, hamda oxirini sanaganda ikkinchi o'rinda suzuq tovush harfi bo'lsa, buningga oxirgi uzuk tovushni qaytlab uningga ing qatimiz dedik. Endi uzuk tovush degan fuinsimi, suzuq tovush harfi deganimiz nima desanglar, yuansimi. Arada bir bo'g'im deganimiz nima desanglar, yinje deb qo'yamiz-ku. Tarkibida birlam suzuq tovush bo'lsa, buni birlam yuansimi bo'lsa, buni bir bo'g'im deymiz. Masalan, put bir bo'g'im. Masalan, beautiful. B U T-full. Ma put bo'g'imliq so'z. Beautiful deganimiz chiroyli degan shunami? Masalan, put bo'lsa nima? Putting. Masalan, swimming deganda, masalan, he's putting on his coat. And u paltorni kiyotir. Swim, macho. Masalan, he's swimming across the river. Okay, masalan, the cat is running along the wall. Demak, put, swim, run. Malaga keyinda bir qaytli o'tib qanday qilamiz? Ing qatimiz. Xo'sh, endi men misolga asosan ulg' qilib ishlab beraman. Masalan, boy swimming across the river. And where is the boy swimming? He's swimming across the river. And the my example, shunami? He's swimming across the river. And the daryoni kesib o'tib qanday qiladir? Uzwadir. Masalan, children going into the park. Okay, and bolalar nega kirib ketib bordi deb so'raymiz, shunami? Anaki nima? Ular bog'chaga kirib ketib bordi. Masalan, nima? Where are the children going? Where are the children going? They are going into the park. Ular bog'chaga qanday qiladir? Kirib ketib bordi. Degandek. Demak, endi to'liq shaklni shunga o'xshash avval savol, undan keyin javobni qilib ishlasam, asosan bo'ldi. Bo'ldi, shu ulgu misol mushagicha bo'lsin. Sizlar shuni cho'qim yaxshi ulgu qilib ishlab tugatsangiz bo'ldi. Xo'sh, hamsa bugungi dars mushagicha bo'lsin. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.